Hello guys, welcome once again to Blockchain Flasher. In today's video, I will be showing you live on screen how to use the Blockchain Flasher to generate Flash with only the receiver's wallet. That's what you need to generate the Flash from the blockchain flasher to any receiver's wallet. You can generate the flash to Binance, Bybit. But for this video tutorial, let's head to our Trust wallet and copy our wallet address USDT TRC20, in which we'll be funding live on screen. You can see the flash token I'm having. Let me refresh. So let me create a new wallet for this video tutorial. We create a new wallet so we fund the amount live on screen. I'll be showing you guys. So we create the new wallet and wait for it to create. Yep, yeah, the wallet has been created. So let's click on deposit and deposit right away to our new wallet we just created. So click on USDT network. We click on, let's move down, click on USDT TRC20 and copy the wallet address. Once we copy the wallet address, we go back to our blockchain flasher software to complete the transaction to our new trust wallet we just created. So with them being said, let's click on send and proceed the withdrawal. Oh, my battery is low. I have to do this some time. So let's click on send and proceed on withdrawal. So for this video tutorial, let me say we're generating 1 million Flash USDT in our TRC20 network. Let's paste the wallet address we just copied and continue. So you can see live on screen, our Flash token has been successfully sent. So let's wait for the Flash token to reflect. Let's just give it some time, to reflect. Let's refresh the page. Refresh once again. Yep, as you can see, the transaction is here live on screen. Let's click on it and log into our Trust wallet to confirm the amount we just generated. You can see it live on screen. Input my password. Go back. And refresh the page. Refresh. Yep. As you all can see live on screen how the blockchain flasher works instantly. It reflects and on the receiver's wallet instantly. All you need to generate Flash from the blockchain flasher is just the receiver's wallet address. And if you haven't subscribed to Web2, kindly click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop new updates like this. So you can see live on screen the 1 million we just generated using our blockchain using our blockchain flasher. You guys can see it live on screen. So this is my channel. You can see it live on screen. So if you just need the software, you can just click the link. I'll be leaving the link on my channel bio. Just go to my channel, click the bio. I'll be leaving the link for the blockchain flasher software. You can use the web app if the software isn't available in your country. You can just use the software web app, which is the link on my bio, to create an account and select your preferred credit license in which you need. This is how the blockchain flasher works. These the steps to take. These are the steps to take. If you are a beginner, you should just check on the link on my bio. If you're a beginner, these are all the plans. You can buy more. You can just select any plan of your choice in which suits your need, your preferred need. So let me say you want to make your payments now. You just click and you select your payment method. If it's Ethereum, you select it. If it's Tron, you select it. So within being said, don't forget to subscribe to Web2 to stay updated on any video and any updates. Let me walk you through how the blockchain flasher works. You can see the frequent ask question. It's tradable, it's convertible, swappable, and withdrawable to any wallet address. One thing I love about the blockchain flasher, all you need to generate a flash token is just a receiver's wallet address. With the receiver's wallet address you deposit to, you just go to your blockchain flasher and send to your receiver's wallet address in which you need. This is my channel in case This is my channel. Let me show you once again, so don't get scammed by other videos and stuff like that. So see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching to the end.